So this one we did by hand. Now let us try this one in calculator. I'll show you in the calculator. Okay. In the calculator, I just need to give the entries of a matrix. So you can go to second matrix. Oh, switch on this. Yeah. Go to second matrix. Oops. Matrix is here, right? Yeah, this one. Second matrix. So I have already stored A, B, two matrices. Let me go to the third one. So I'll go here and I choose 3 just to preserve other 2. But you can overwrite on A or B. So this one you need 2 by 2, right? So you have 2 times 2. This is 2 by 2 matrix. So the matrix is 1, and then I have 1, then I have 1, and then I have -1. Yeah, please double check that your entries are good, and remember I have to store in C. 1 1 1 -1. This is my matrix A here. So the other matrix is on the right side, which is 2 1. Yeah, so 2 1 will be stored in another matrix. I always want to clear second matrix. So I'm going to edit, and from edit I'll take D now for 4. And that matrix is, can you tell me what is the order of this matrix? When you have 2 1, how many rows, how many columns you see?
It's a 2 by 1, right?
2 by 1, yes, perfect. So 2 by 1. All right. And the entries are 2 and 1. 2 and then 1. So remember, my matrices are ready. So I got something like this, if you remember, that I got this type. Cx equals D type, right? So D is my 2 1 and C is my this matrix. So what is my X? You know, my X will be C inverse D, isn't it? C inverse D. So then I'll bring that one here in my calculator. Second mod, clear, second matrix. First I will bring C, so C is 3, and then put the inverse on it, and then bring D. Second matrix, D is 4. Now see that it is ready. C inverse D, hit enter. See the answers, 1.5 and 0.5. So 1.5 is 3/2 and 0.5 is half. I'm done. Okay, so you have seen by hand, also using calculator. Clear? Kramer's rule. We have mentioned here, it says find the solution of the system equation using Kramer's rule. So what is Kramer's rule? First you write matrix A, sorry, determinant A. Determinant A will be from this. You get 1, 1, 1, -1. Did you understand what I'm getting and how I'm getting those? See that the coefficient here is 1, then 1, so 1, 1. Coefficient 1 and then -1. I write like this. What is the value of this?
That equals 6. Is that what we're doing?
1, 1, 1, -1.
No, that's
Yeah.
-1. That equals 0. No.
Yeah.
Well,
First,
-2.
yeah. 1 times -1 is -1 minus 1 times 1. This is -2. So -2 is my determinant value. Is right? Yeah. Okay. Let me write it clear so that everybody will understand. Okay. So I'm writing my determinant for A. I'm giving a name. This is 1, 1, 1, -1, and we know first we multiply main diagonal, which is -1, subtract the off diagonal result. That's why negative 2 is here, x. Okay. Next we will find ax. Okay, so what is ax? This is another determinant. So when you say ax, sorry, ax will be now, the first column will be replaced by the constant column. So you write here 6, 16, other column you keep as it is, 1, negative 1. Did you understand? That is Cramer's rule. So Cramer's rule is saying that first you take the main coefficient as matrix A. When you are saying x, your x column you see, x column is 1, 1, will be replaced by the right hand side column, 6, 16. So what is the value of 6, 16? Negative 6 minus 16. Is it negative 22? Yeah, that's ax. Can you help me to find ay now? What should I do? Y is my second column, so first column I keep as it is. What will be second column? Will be replaced by the constant column, right? 6, 16. And then what is the answer? 16 minus 6. This is 10. So I got A is negative 2, AX determinant is negative 22, and AY determinant is 10. So what is our Cramer's rule saying? If we are looking for the solution, X will be equals determinant AX divided by determinant A. That's your X. Can you tell me what it is now?
So that's the negative
11. Yeah, that's 11. Because my determinant AX is negative 22 and determinant A is negative 2. So negative 22 divided by negative 2 is 11. So we got my X. So what will be Y?
Negative 2.2.
Yeah. 10 divided by.
No. Negative 5.
Negative 5, yes. That's right. So AY is giving you determinant AY divided by A. So you have seen AY is 10 and determinant A is negative 2. That's why negative 5. So we got our solution. Yeah. So what did we see so far? And I'm done with section 3.7. That's the Cramer's rule only we need to know. Okay? Now, some other cases we need to discuss, and I will see how those are actually coming. Okay, so let me talk about that. So when you are saying that 2x plus y equals 4, x minus ky is 2, this system you find the solution using Cramer's rule. So first you find the determinant of 2, 1, 1, negative k. Yeah, that's the determinant. And then replace your first column 2, 1 by 4, 2. That will be ax. Replace your 1, negative k by 4, 2. That will be ay. And then put it in the form, right? X equals determinant ay over determinant a. Y equals determinant ay over determinant a, right? So that is giving me solution xy in terms of k. Those will be like this. Now when they're saying that for what value of k does the system not have a unique solution? So that means the determinant 2, 1, 1, negative k should be 0. So if you write that and solve for k, immediately you get your answer, isn't it? Should I write it here just to make sure that you get the idea? You have 2, 1, 1, negative k. This determinant needs to be 0. So after that, what we do? 2 times negative k is negative 2k minus 1 equals 0. So the negative 2k is 1 and k is negative half. So we are done. So when k is negative half, the system will not have any unique solution, right? These are the straightforward concept we have. Okay. Alright. So everything same. Yeah, they're asking that you just calculate. This is the solution idea. You don't have to look at that. Say solve the given system of linear equation using Cramer's rule. Alright. Same. Alright. So you see that this section is completely fine. So I should stop here. Should not make it overwhelming for you. You guys have enough time. The exam will be tomorrow, is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so you are ready for the exam?
Yes.
All right, okay. And as I have mentioned that I will take questions just from the homework. So if you review homework questions, you will be perfectly okay. And we will have only 10 questions, 50 minutes. Okay. So you may now work on the homework questions and let me know if you need any help on these sections, especially we did from chapter 5, chapter 3, and one more section 4.2. I can keep it for Thursdays, okay.